So we want to look at interior and exterior angles, and specifically we want to look at regular polygons. Remember that a regular polygon is just a normal polygon, but the sides are all the same length and the angles are all the same measure. So here we have this regular polygon with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 congruent sides, which makes it a regular pentagon. So we want to find out what one interior angle one interior angle is. So here we have 5 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we just think about how much the total amount of the interior angles are, and we divide that by how many angles or how many sides there are, that should give us how much each one's worth. Right? Like if I have 20 cookies and I'm sharing them among 5 people, if I want to share them evenly, it's 20 divided by 5, which shows that each person gets 4 cookies. Real basic approach, but it's the same thing, just with degrees inside of an angle. So here we calculate the total amount of degrees inside of an interior angle by the formula n minus 2 times 180. And we're going to divide that again by n, by how many angles or how many sides there are. N, because this is a pentagon, it has 5 sides, 5 angles. So we are dividing by 5, and this n minus 2 is 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. So this is going to be 3 times 180, which is 540. So we have 540 degrees divided by 5. 540 degrees divided by 5 is 108 degrees. And that is how much each measurement is worth. And you can kind of see with this picture, it looks like it's a little bit more than a right angle. It's 18 degrees more than a right angle. So that's how we find out how much one interior angle is. If it said find the sum of the interior angles, it would just be this numerator, n minus 2 times 180. It's the key formula to know. Now with exterior angles, it's different. For any polygon, the sum of exterior angles is 360 degrees. Now to find how much one is worth, we just take that total and we divide it by how many angles there are. So again, this is regular, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 sides that are congruent, that are the same distance. So what we get is, if we take this total, which is 360, and divide that by 11, let me just count this again just to make sure I'm correct. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep, that's 11. That's such a shame. 12 goes in nice and easy, but 11's just 11. So if we want, we could, oh, there we go. The instructions say to round our answer to the nearest tenth if necessary. I like to leave this as a fraction. 11 does not go in evenly. But if we wanted to put this as a fraction, we could say this is 32.73, that's a hundredth, tenth, so 32.7 degrees is our answer. But again, exterior angles for any polygon add up to 360 degrees. There is no formula. So if you just take how many angles there are, divide it into 360 degrees, you will get the final answer. Good luck.